show you how to make Long Island iced tea. A Long Island iced tea is a type of alcoholic mixed drink typically made with gin, rum, tequila, vodka, triple sec, lemon juice, and a splash of Coca-Cola. This drink is very strong drink. To start, put ice. $20 ml gin, $20 ml white rum, $20 ml tequila, $20 ml vodka, $20 ml triple sec, $20 ml lemon juice. All ingredients are equal parts. 20 ml, all 20 ml. And now shake. Ice. Splash of Coca-Cola. Garnish with lime, and you have it. You can put more Coca-Cola, a big Coca-Cola. It's up to you. But this will look like iced tea, that's why they call Long Island iced tea. Remember, this is very strong cocktail. But this is a popular cocktail, one of the most popular cocktails in the world. Enjoy your iced tea, Long Island iced tea.